Hi friends, this is the strategy I'm going to use for swing trade. I'm taking Nifty and 2021. I'm just going to backtest for you guys. Okay, this is a first day candle. Okay, I have set this in daily time frame. So this is the first candle. So what we have to do, just we have to mark the low and high of the first day candle. Okay, so this is the first day candle, so I'm just marking the low of this candle. I'm just pressing this, I'm marking two lines. Okay, so can you see this is a line and here is the low. Okay, so whenever this candle crosses above, we are going to enter a trade. Okay, so this is the day market has closed here, right? So just I'm going to click on this. If I'm taking this trade 1:2, so this is our usual setup. Okay, so once this line comes, the trade will be exited. Okay, since the first candle size is very low, I am going to change the risk reward ratio from 1:2 to 1:4. Okay, so just we will change this to 1:4, and you can see the target was achieved on this 8th of that. So this is how the strategy works. Okay, so now I am moving on to February month. Okay, this February month, can you see the first day of the candle is very big? Can you see the range of the candle size is very big? So we are going to see the first candle size is almost 600. Okay, so in this case what we are going to do, we are going to reduce our risk reward to 1:1. Okay, once the candle is small, we are going to increase the risk reward. Once the candle size is very big, then we are going to reduce the risk reward ratio. This is our strategy. Okay, this we have to understand this. So just this is our entry. So this is our stop loss, and our 1:1 target will be here. Okay, so where the entry was taken, the entry would have been taken here. Okay, and our profit only 366 point. And okay, it's okay. We have to take this. So on this day it would have been exited. Okay, so once the candle get closes, or no, once it touches now, it will exit for our setup. So here itself it will be exited. See how many days of trading? 1 2 3 4 days of trading in a month. Okay, so you will be getting 366 point in spot. So February month also we are having a good result. Okay, so on March month, the candle size is too low. Okay, so this is first candle high has been broken out. So the candle size is very small. For example, the candle size is 160 only. So I am going to increase this to 1:2. That's all, not more than that. Okay, so this is a standard setup. Okay, so our target has been achieved on the next day itself. Okay, so this is the day we have taken the trade. Second day we have taken the trade, and third day itself the target was done. Okay, so this is very useful. So continuously 3 months we have seen the positive news. Okay, so this is the April month of 2021, and the candle closes below here. Okay, so we are going to short the position over here. So our stop loss will be here. So we are going to take 1:2 risk reward ratio. And can you see here, guys, the candle didn't close below our stop loss. That is our setup. Okay, so well, for the stop loss we have to be patient. If the candle closes below that, then we are going to exit. Okay, so whatever the loss comes, we are going to accept it. Okay, so the entry is here, somewhere here we are going to take at the end of the day. Okay, so once the candle get closes, our trade will be executed, and it will be closed over here once it touches the line. Okay, so this is our target, and we are getting almost 312 points here. Okay, so continuously we have seen the positive. So we'll go to May month. Okay, so on the May month, the candle closed above is on 6th. Okay, so we have to wait, we have waited, and this is our entry, and this should be our stop loss, and our 1:2 risk reward ratio is okay. So you are getting target on 21st May. So this is the day we are going to wait for long time, and so even though we are waiting, we are achieving the good target, and in that month market went higher than this also. Anyway, our target is achieved, so we should not bother about the further movement. Okay, so this is on June month. So June month, this is a candle. So the candle, okay, so this is a long trade, June 1st, this is the high, and this will be the low, and since the candle is this much, I'm going to take it as a 1:2 risk reward. Goes, where this target is not done yet, just I'm moving it, not yet. So at the end of the month, okay, so here we are going to exit it. Okay, it came near to our target, but it didn't book it. Okay, so can you see here, it has almost came here, and here also on this 15th June also we got the candle near to our target, but we are not able to achieve the target, and finally at last it has exited. We should have exited at the end of the day, right? So at this place it have exited with a less profit. Okay, can you see here, we have exited with a less profit. Okay, so now we will move to the July month. The target is not achieved, but even though we are in positive. Okay, so July 1st, so the candle is closed above here, and we are going to go for the long position. So this is day, okay, so this will be our stop loss, and 1:2 risk reward ratio will be somewhere here. Okay, so if you move on, the target is achieved. Okay, here it shows this is stop loss because we are considering the stop loss only if the candle closes below this. So the day has not ended below this, so we have saved the stop loss and we have achieved our target. So continuously we are achieving a good result in 2021. Okay, so this is August month. The candle size is 236. Okay, so we are going to keep the risk reward 1:2, and the target was achieved on 16th, I guess. Yeah, not 16th, it is achieved on 17th of August. So on the September 1st, it has been a long trade on the second day itself. September month, so this is our entry level, and this should be our stop loss, and 1:2 will be somewhere here with 340 points. Okay, we have, the trade was going good, and I'm showing you the real executions. Okay, so this candle is very small, that is below 100. That means I'm going to make the target as 1:4, and that trade has exited with a profit. On the November month, okay, November month, the candle was not closed. Here is the candle closed above, and we'll be going long here, and the candle size is, stop loss is about 250 candles, so it will be like 1:2. It has hit our stop loss, so we will be facing a stop loss here. Okay, so this month we are hitting the stop loss, only one trade, and if you want, you can take a reversal PE trade, but I will not suggest you guys. Only one trade is enough per month. If it is loss, we will accept it. We'll see in the next month. Okay, So this is December, and we are executing the long trade here. And since the candle size is very low, below, no, it is above 140 only, so it will be like 1:2, no changes, 1:2. Okay, if the candle size is below 100, then only we are going to shift it for 1:4, otherwise it will be like 1:2. Okay, so the target as achieved for December month will come to January 2002. In the January 2002, can you see this is the first candle? So the first candle breakout has happened, and the 1:2 risk reward ratio, since the candle is about 250, so 1:2 risk reward. Okay, the target is done. So we are moving on to the February month. So this February month the candle closed above, and after that market start falling. So taking it the end of this, and it is not achieved, hit the stop loss trade. So we are hitting two stop loss right now. This is the second stop loss. So okay, second two stop loss has been done so far. We'll move on to the March month. Our candle closes below here. Okay, so we are going for the short position in the March. So this is March candle, and I'm just going for the short position, and the candle size is 200, so I'm going for 1:2, and the target is done on the short side. Okay, so I'll move on to April month. So this is the April 1st candle, and this is on C trade. Okay, so the candle is here. If I go for 1:2, the target was not done, and it was going and hitting the stop loss somewhere here. Okay, that because it was a huge gap down, and it will be loss on April month. So this will be a third stop loss from 2021 Jan. Okay, May month. So it was a P trade. So we am going for the short position. When the candle size is above 100, so 1:2 risk reward ratio. The target should have done somewhere here, because it was a gap down, so it will be trade will be done here. Okay, so you would have been got around 500 points here. Okay, so it is a success trade, and here okay, it will be a short position on June. Okay, the trade was executed somewhere here, the short position, and since it is 200, it is we will be having only 1:2 risk reward. So this is our, so even though it is 1:2 risk reward, it will be exited once the market open somewhere here, right? So it will be exited immediately with 567 points on the June month. Okay, in July month, it is in long position. So trade will be executed here, and this will be our stop loss 280 points, and we are going to choose 1:2 risk reward. The target has been done for July month. Also for August month, we are here with the long position, and still August month is going on, right? So just I'll mark the setup. Okay, so this is our stop loss, and the candle size is above 100, so it will be like 1:2 only, not more than that. So 1:2. So the target is somewhere here, so it has not yet achieved. We'll see. Okay, so this is the strategy we are following it.